This is the Radius R-Cage, a patented tubular structure that bolts down to the factory points in the Sprinter floor that is digitally bent. It provides structure for accessories and bed platforms. There's 4 half-inch aluminum plates that bolt to factory D-rings in the floor. So you basically back out the D-rings, install our plates, put the D-rings back in with our longer hardware. And then we have these 4 camming compression blocks about halfway up the cage that just provide a little bit of pressure against the van body. If you can build IKEA, you can install R-Cage. It comes with all the mounting hardware, instructions, a great video to walk you through it. You and a mate can build this thing in a day. R-Cage is a no-drill system. It moves with the van for silent travel. You can hit the road in a day. You can sleep sideways or long ways. The bed platforms fold up and out of the way within minutes. You can store bikes. You can haul a refrigerator from Home Depot, anything you want in the cargo bay. It's currently compatible with the 144 Sprinter high roof. We're working on a system for the 170 high roof. We're also working on transit, and we're also working on utility trailer models. Ultimately, R-Cage is a sleep system that allows you to maintain the functionality and the usefulness of your van.